In front of me is HONOR MagicPad 2, and today I would like to show you how you can turn on or turn off high performance mode. Begin by opening device's settings and scrolling down to hit battery section. Now use gray switcher next to performance mode and wait. As you can see, high performance is now enabled. To disable it, click on the same no blue switcher. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!